So I am testing the oil seal, so the axle seal, and I got a new, or a used oil pressure gauge from Victor Bach. So I fitted that, and I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna test it out, see if it works. So well, nope, unfortunately that one is broken too. Now it could be that my engine is producing over 6 bars of oil pressure, but I don't see that happening, so we have to continue looking. So just enjoying the view here a bit. Whee. So, yeah. I just found out something else broke. Oh no! Hula Girl isn't working anymore. Come on. Come on. There we go. Yeah, fixed it. Woohoo! Hula Girl keeps on hulaing. And Betty, of course, keeps flapping. Yeah! So, another thing I want to do is to check the water pump for our sink, because that is apparently not working anymore. I think it has to do with all the mud and sludge that we ended up picking up while off-roading in the tank. So let's check that out, but then I need to remove the wheel so we can access the tank better. Yeah, it's not doing anything at the moment, so need to check that out, because sometimes it does work, and then if you turn it on again there will be a little bit of water, and after that it just stops completely. First up, getting the wheel off the ground. That's nice under there. First I loosen the nuts a bit. Everything's a bit loose. Let's get the rubber in the air. That should do the trick. So. Now we can reach things a bit more easily. I already removed the cap of the tank. Now I can just squeeze in here, hopefully, and I can just reach the pump. It is on at the moment, and it's doing absolutely nothing. No. It was turning just a bit, like a second ago, so after searching for a bit we found out it wasn't the pump, but the switch here in here was broken, so we got ourselves a new one. Time to install it. Yay! Turns out to be the switch in the old faucet thingy was broken, so replace that. Works. And while I'm here, I'm doing some electrical stuff so that we can so the fridge has a little bit more of breathing room, so we can dispatch our heat from the fridge better. So I wired a small fan that is quite powerful. It's not the prettiest thing, but it's what we have right now. So we're going to install that, and hopefully that will dissipate the heat better, so we can go on vacation and the fridge will work a little bit better. So let's install that. Cable management. Yep, stop. And there we have it. The fan is already installed. You can't see anything about it because it's behind the fridge. But what you can see is this little switch right here. And if I just do the flickery flick switch, and you can hear all the heat just being sucked out, and we don't have like warm water and stuff. So it's already dark, but and if I go outside in the dark, you can hear that sweet air blowing out from underneath the top. We just made a little bit of a scoop with some plywood that I had left lying around. Not that you can see anything, it's there somewhere. And that'll just vent all the hot air to the outside of the Unimog. So, problem solved. It is dark. I cannot see you. Oh wait, you are white. Hey!
Hey!
So, what did we do today?
A lot.
A lot actually, yes. I fixed the water. It works. Show it. Show the thing.
Water.
Do we have the water? Yes. It flows. It flows out. Checked the oil. Checked if the seal was actually sealing. Checked all the compartments. Not that you can see anything. Because what are we going to do tomorrow?
We're gonna go to Denmark.
Denmark.
Yes.
I'm gonna go to Denmark. Yes. He's excited. But that'll be in the next video. You just have to do with this small update. And we'll see where the adventure starts and where the story ends, I guess. So subscribe and follow and like and all the stuff. And make sure to check out the next videos where we will be traveling through Denmark. Bye bye.